In today's video, we'll be diving into the best night creams that will help rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. Night creams are essential in your skincare routine as they provide deep hydration, nourishment, and anti-aging benefits. Whether you're dealing with dryness, fine lines, or dullness, the right night cream can make all the difference. Let's explore 5 top-rated products that are perfect for your skin's nighttime needs. Keep watching to find out which one is best for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Kiehl's Ultra Facial Overnight Hydrating Mask. The Kiehl's Ultra Facial Overnight Hydrating Mask is a deeply hydrating night cream that provides intense moisture, perfect for dry and dehydrated skin. Designed to lock in hydration overnight, this mask helps restore the skin's moisture balance and leaves it feeling nourished and soft by morning. It's a rich, yet lightweight formula that gives your skin the restorative care it needs while you sleep. Key features: this night cream features a blend of glacial glycoprotein and desert plant extracts, which help replenish and retain moisture. The glacial glycoprotein provides moisture to the skin's surface, while the desert plant extract helps maintain hydration even in extreme conditions. This formula is paraben-free, suitable for all skin types, and offers 24-hour hydration. Benefits and usage: the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Overnight Hydrating Mask is perfect for anyone with dry or dehydrated skin. It provides long-lasting moisture, helping to soothe and hydrate the skin, improving its overall appearance. To use, apply a generous layer of the mask to your face after cleansing and leave it on overnight. In the morning, your skin will feel hydrated, soft, and refreshed. Usability: the mask has a smooth, creamy texture that absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. It's ideal for those who want to wake up with soft, hydrated skin. It doesn't leave any residue, so you won't need to worry about any greasy or sticky feeling. Additionally, it's gentle enough for sensitive skin and can be used a few times a week or as needed. Durability: the formula is effective overnight, and you'll notice visible improvements in your skin's hydration after just one use. A little product goes a long way, so one jar can last you for quite some time. With continued use, your skin will feel more hydrated and plump. In the second spot, we have Tatcha the Water Cream. Tatcha the Water Cream is an oil-free, water-based night cream designed to provide hydration and balance the skin while you sleep. This lightweight gel cream formula works to hydrate and refine the skin's texture, leaving it smooth, refreshed, and glowing. It's an ideal option for those with oily or combination skin who still want intense hydration without the heaviness. Key features: this night cream contains a combination of Japanese botanicals, including wild rose, green tea, and rice, which help replenish the skin with moisture and essential nutrients. The unique formula uses a burst of liquid crystals to deliver hydration deep into the skin, promoting a balanced, healthy complexion. It's also free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it safe for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: Tatcha the Water Cream is great for those who suffer from oily or acne-prone skin but still need the hydration of a night cream. It works to refine the skin's texture while keeping it clear and balanced. To use, apply a thin layer to the face after cleansing and toning. It can be used every night for a refreshing, oil-free glow. Usability: this product has a lightweight, gel-like consistency that absorbs quickly into the skin without feeling greasy. It's perfect for those with oily or combination skin who want a hydrating yet mattifying effect. The water-based formula won't clog pores, making it an excellent option for acne-prone individuals. Durability: the water-based formula provides lasting hydration, and you'll notice your skin feeling soft and balanced even after several hours. The product is highly effective, and a small amount goes a long way. Over time, your skin will look brighter, smoother, and healthier. Coming in at number 3 is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair is a highly effective anti-aging night cream that works to repair and renew the skin overnight. Known for its powerful hydration and repair properties, this night cream helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making your skin appear smoother and more youthful. It's designed to work with your skin's natural nighttime repair processes. Key features: this night cream is packed with Estée Lauder's exclusive Chronolix CB technology, which helps boost the skin's natural renewal process while you sleep. The formula includes a blend of powerful antioxidants and hyaluronic acid to help hydrate and protect the skin from environmental stressors. It's also non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. Benefits and usage: Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair is ideal for those looking to combat the signs of aging and improve skin texture. It works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines while deeply moisturizing the skin. To use, apply a few drops to your face and neck after cleansing, and gently massage it in before applying your usual night cream. Usability: the cream has a smooth texture that glides easily onto the skin. It absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling soft and hydrated without any greasy residue. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and works well in both dry and humid climates. You can use this cream every night for optimal results. Durability: the formula provides lasting hydration throughout the night, and with consistent use, you'll notice a visible reduction in the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. It's also highly effective in promoting skin renewal, giving your skin a youthful glow. Taking our fourth spot is Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream is a luxurious, ultra-hydrating night cream designed to repair and nourish dry skin. This thick, whipped formula is rich in plant oils and antioxidants, helping to restore moisture and balance to the skin while you sleep. It's perfect for those with dry or sensitive skin that needs a little extra care and hydration. Key features: Lala Retro Whipped Cream is made with 6 African oils, including Mariella oil, baobab oil, and Xymenia oil, which provide essential fatty acids and antioxidants. The formula also contains ceramides, which help restore the skin's natural barrier. It's free from essential oils, silicones, and fragrance, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this night cream is ideal for dry, parched skin that needs a deep moisture boost. It helps strengthen the skin's barrier, improve elasticity, and reduce the appearance of dryness and fine lines. To use, apply a generous amount to your face after cleansing and massage it in. It can be used every night for maximum hydration and nourishment. Usability: the whipped texture is rich and creamy but absorbs well into the skin, leaving it feeling soft and hydrated. It's great for those who need a heavy-duty night cream that works to restore moisture without feeling heavy or greasy. It's gentle enough to use on sensitive skin and works well during colder months. Durability: the Lala Retro Whipped Cream provides long-lasting hydration and helps restore moisture levels overnight. A little product goes a long way, and with regular use, your skin will feel plump, smooth, and well-nourished. And finally, at number 5, we have Charlotte Tilbury Magic Night Cream. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Night Cream is a luxurious night cream that promises to give you a radiant, youthful complexion by morning. This rich, hydrating formula is designed to rejuvenate and renew your skin while you sleep. It combines powerful ingredients like peptides, vitamins, and floral extracts to provide intense nourishment and repair. Key features: Magic Night Cream is infused with peptides, vitamins, and the brand's proprietary Magic Flower Complex, which works to reduce fine lines, smooth texture, and improve overall skin radiance. The formula also includes hyaluronic acid, which helps retain moisture and plump the skin. It's cruelty-free and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this night cream is perfect for anyone looking to combat the signs of aging, dryness, and dull skin. It works to plump and firm the skin while providing deep hydration. To use, apply a generous layer to your face after cleansing and massage it in. It's ideal for nightly use and leaves the skin looking rejuvenated and glowing by morning. Usability: the cream has a thick, rich texture that absorbs easily into the skin, leaving it feeling nourished and hydrated. It's perfect for those with dry or mature skin that need extra moisture and anti-aging benefits. The formula is gentle and doesn't irritate sensitive skin. Durability: Charlotte Tilbury Magic Night Cream provides long-lasting hydration, and with continued use, you'll notice smoother, more radiant skin. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to achieve a youthful, glowing complexion over time. Finding the right night cream can be a game changer in your skincare routine. Whether you're looking to hydrate, combat signs of aging, or improve your skin's texture, these 5 night creams offer a range of benefits for all skin types. We hope this review helps you choose the best one for your skin's needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews. Sleep tight and wake up to healthier, glowing skin.